Standard 9, Subject English, Poem 2.5, Autumn. This short and beautiful poem was written by great poet Kalidas. Kalidas was born on 7th May 1861 in a wealthy Brahmin family in Kolkata. In this poem, he explains about the beauty of the season by personifying into a beautiful maiden. He has created a pretty portrait of a lady with help of characteristics of the autumn season. So here if you see, we have three main seasons. We have summer, winter and monsoon. And according to that, you see the changes. In summer, you see new grass sprouts, sun shines brightly. In the winter, the atmosphere becomes dull and cold. Migratory birds return back. We see mist in the morning. In monsoon, you see crickets chirp. There are sudden showers and hailstorms. Trees blossom and the dark clouds cover the sky. And you see this autumn approaches after the summer season and before the winter. So it's called a Sharat season is equivalent to autumn. So I'll just read few lines of this poem and explain it accordingly. The autumn comes a maiden fair in slenderness and grace, with nodding rice stems in her hair and lilies in her face. This means the poet says that autumn arrives like slender, fair and graceful maiden. She has swaying the rice stems in her hair and lilies in her face. We come to the next four lines. In flowers of grasses she is clad, and as she moves along, the birds greet her with their cooing glad, like a bracelet's tinkling song. Here it means that she is dressed in the flowers of grasses. As she moves along, the birds greet her gladly with their cooing sounds. These cooing sounds like tinkling song of bracelets. Go to the next four lines. A diadem adorns the night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, set free from cloudy bars. During the night, autumn wears a crown of countless stars. The white moonlight forms her silken robe, which appears to be set free from the patches of clouds. Then we come to the last lines. And on her face, the radiant moon, bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. This means her face is bright and shining like moon. She smiles attractively. She seems to be a slim young girl who will soon grow into a woman. So, with this I end my poem. Thank you.